The world is full of voices, but none I can understand. Is that a person or a fox or... Every sound feels close, yet so far from meaning. What's that light? I can hear them clearly.
Buddy, I don't understand you.
The ball! It's stuck in the bushes!
He says your ball is hiding in the bushes. Hold on, I'll help you both.
Thanks, little bird.
Finally, someone gets me. Where did you come from?
He's not from here, but I like him.
Friends speak from the heart. I traveled far, carrying voices to one another.
Where will you go next, little one?
Wherever voices need to meet. Every place holds new words and new hearts to connect. I wish I could talk to her. She looks kind, but I don't know her words. Play together, your laughter will speak for you. The world speaks one language, kindness.